Today we're here at 262 Deer Street. This is one of our properties that one of our clients bought in the city of Welland, Daniel and Lyra. This property behind is a 2-bedroom upper, 1-bedroom lower, and we're going to go inside today and have a look at it. My name is Hanish Nagrani. I'm an investment coach with Team Koukun Real Estate. If you are interested in working with us, check the link below for a free beginner's guide to creating a legal basement apartment in the city of Welland. Welcome to 262 Deer Street. Let's go inside. So up here, this is the main living area. When we looked at finding this property, we saw a lot of good positive qualities about it. When you look at the kitchen, you can just see a nice open concept. Really nice positive quality about this unit is these kitchen cabinets were in place. You can see they're of a higher quality, higher standard. That's very nice because the client doesn't have to come in and redo the whole kitchen. These are brand new appliances, high-tech appliances, so that's very good for the tenants that are gonna be moving in. Nice dishwasher. We did include the laundry and washer over here. And let's go on to the bedroom. A lot of this is existing. We do have new flooring. This was carpet before. I think some people can keep the carpet. Some people like to go with a newer flooring. So this is new flooring, new handles, new trims, new paint job, new light fixtures. So really nice high-end finishes. And here's the second bedroom. Similar sort of idea, new trims, new flooring, new light fixtures. Just touching up the unit and making it, to that higher standard. The last thing to point out about this unit is the incredible job our client did with the bathroom. Some people don't really like to spend that extra money on upgrading and modernizing the bathroom, but our client done a very good job with this vanity. If you have a look at the bathroom or the shower over here, very nice high-end quality stuff. New tiling job here, so all in all, very nice upper unit here. Okay, so now we're in the basement of this unit. As you can see, probably we've got 10-foot high ceilings here, so it's very, very nice. It feels very, very spacious. The one thing that we liked about this unit when we were looking at it is when you're in this basement, you really don't feel like you're in a basement. You can see those windows. You have natural light coming in. Also having the pot lights is a very nice touch, especially in these new apartments that we do create. Back towards our kitchen here. So none of this was existing. We had carpets throughout the floor, so we redid the flooring, designed this whole kitchen with an L-shaped design, and it just feels that this way the tenants can sit here and they can use this as a breakfast bar, and then they also have this living area concept. So also did a really nice job with this kitchen. Moving forward, this is where the bedroom is going to be. Initially this was a one-door design, but our client's creativeness, he wanted it to be a little bit more open concept, and so he made a double door here, double sliding door, which is very nice. So when you're in the bedroom, you feel like a lot more spacious. Moving towards the bathroom, this was actually a powder room before. That was an inlet, and what they did with the designers was bring it out, make it more even with the existing walls, added the bath in the back, and all new sort of stuff. If you want to come inside and have a look. Similar sort of vanity to what we have upstairs. Really nice finishes and job to the bathtub. So that's the high quality luxury 1-bedroom that this unit gives us. Okay, so we got Daniel here, who's he purchased the property with his wife Lyra, and we're going to ask him a couple questions about the property and his choices and his investing journey. So Daniel, what got you into real estate investing?
Definitely real estate investing gave us a way to build generation wealth. We are trying to grow our family. My wife is 34 weeks pregnant right now. So we think that in order for us to give something back to our children when they grow up, you invest now, you wait it out, and eventually they'll have property one day.
Right, and so if you can buy one, then you move on to the second one, third one, and so forth. Yeah. So I know we talked a bit about the specifics about this property and why we kind of liked it. Do you want to speak upon the reasons why you like this property, you and your wife?
Yeah, so one of the things was it was a good area. First of all, it was highly recommended by Koukun's team. But what we really liked about it, it's a house that was built in 2009, so it already had good bones to it, and we just had to add a little bit of flavor for the upper unit and the lower unit, and that's what we did. And we were really happy with the turnout of the renovations, and we're looking forward for having tenants to come in.
Yeah, for sure. I think one of the nicest things about this house was the curbside appeal. So
that's right. Yeah.
And especially the height in the basement that we generally love, especially when creating these basement apartments. I know you mentioned a little bit about the renovations. Do you want to go into a little bit of a financial breakdown, how much the renovations was, kind of the purchase price and stuff like that and talk about the numbers a little bit?
Sure, absolutely. So the house, this was purchased in October of 2021. So that was last year. It was purchased at $540,000. The renovation was about $100K, and there were some exterior renovations. So you can say that's probably about 10, 15K on the exterior renovations. We decided to split the backyard. We wanted to give our tenant their own private exterior spaces as well. So we invested a little bit of time and money there. But yeah, those are the base numbers that we have.
Yeah, it's nice that you are, you know, in construction yourself a little bit, so you're able to do some of the exterior things. Yeah, kind of talking on that, like what were some of the you know, troubles or challenges that you faced throughout this whole project from start to finish?
Definitely COVID was not a good factor to put into the planning. Definitely we had issues with scheduling delays during the renovation, being able to finish on time, and having all the milestones hit as we move forward. We had a little bit of challenge with that, but you know what? Looking at the finished product, we are pretty happy. We're hoping that our tenants will be happy with the finished product that they'll be living in. We really built this property as if we were going to live in it. We wanted to make a good home for somebody who is looking for a home in Welland, and we wanted to keep that quality instead of nickel and diming here and there. So we really wanted to give something back.
Yeah, for sure. I think, you know, as you're looking through the video, you can see the finishes upon the appliances, the cabinetry, the countertop. Everything is done to a high quality finish that, you know, you yourself could live in the unit.
Yeah.
Last thing, like what was it like working with myself, with Team Koukun? What was that whole experience like for you?
Absolutely excellent. Just for anybody that's listening here, Hanish was there from the very beginning, and he's here at the very end. So, like, point A to Z is not even enough to describe how much support that their team provides their clients. Like, we even text on the side to see how we're going to move forward for future properties that we can purchase, how the market is going. So it's not that the support is only there for the purchase that you're having, it's actually the support and building that relationships moving on. So that thing, it's great.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's very important. That's something we pride ourselves on, is it's not just until you make the purchase, it's everything after that. It's completing the project, making sure that everything is going smooth along the way.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's always going to be hookups, but it's nice to have the point of contact to you know, be there for you and help you as much as possible. So thanks for watching our video. If you are interested in working with us, check the link below for a free beginner's guide to creating a legal basement apartment. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We're more than happy to answer those questions and work with you. My name is Hanish Nagrani, and I work with Team Koukun Real Estate.